But let us begin by congratulating you for winning the hearts of Rivers people and for winning your election resoundingly and the confirmation by the highest court in the land that you are the elected governor of Rivers State. The rest of the remarks I will make will just be thank you, thank you, thank you, Your Excellency, for standing up to your oath of office to defend the interest of all Rivers people in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. You have done that standing on firm ground and with the strength and courage of a lion. We are proud of you. Politics is over. It is now time for governance. And you have hit the ground running. You have touched the critical sectors in less than 1 year in office. You've touched education. You've touched health. But the key of what you are doing so far is the focus on human beings, on the people, especially the poor amongst us. Your Excellency, the human being is the soul of society. So touching the lives of human beings is more important than everything else. You have started showing signs of that. And may God strengthen you and empower you to do more. Your Excellency, your government is aligning correctly with President Tinubu's federal government, especially in the health sector, where, in consonance with what you've come here to demonstrate today, a few days back, Mr. President has set up what he has called Primary Health Care Fellows, a scheme that is programmed to cover the 774 local governments in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Our people say I should tell you to stand firm with the President, align with his positive policies, and carry Rivers people to the engine room of government in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. For those who have not bothered to pay attention, if you look at the map of Nigeria, the entire map of Nigeria is sitting on Rivers State. When Rivers State coughs, Nigeria will catch cold. So regard your office as key and vital. Don't look back. It is not a matter of age. It is a matter of your people are with you. And they've asked me to tell you that you are the political leader of Rivers State. Rivers people say, where you go, we will go with you. Where you stand, we will stand with you. You are standing on firm ground. Stand there. Hold on to God. The rest of the journey will be a piece of cake. Your Excellency, thank you for this honor. We have seen what you are doing. Increased scholarship for Rivers indigenes, building new roads. Let me in a special way thank you for the new road construction you've started. Elele, Egbeda, Ikiri, Omoku Road. We thank you for what you are also doing in the human resource development sector. Don't look back. Just stay focused, knowing that your people are behind you. So we want to thank you for the great honor of coming to commission this little support. It is our humble response to the damage that the floods of the past few flooding seasons did to the old health center. And for over 2 years now, the entire radius of 50 kilometers of Ndoni district, no health facility. That became the stimulant and the motivation for this humble attempt at supporting what you are doing at the state level. And we want to thank you for appreciating and deciding without our request to personally come to commission this. May God bless you and bless your days. Finally, Your Excellency, our prayer for you is that by the time you finish in office, you will have surpassed all of us who have governed River State before you. May God bless you. Thank you.
Let's go. Where they go? Move.